Hello everybody. Oh my goodness, it has been too long. Hi, hello, welcome back to my channel, or welcome to my channel if you're new here. I don't even know where to start, honey. It's been a while, but let's just start with the topic of this video. Obviously I'm doing a summer Sunday reset day. That's a tongue twister. I just have been super busy with working and trying to get back into that routine and really figuring out where to go from here after graduating college, because if you didn't know, I have graduated and now just been on a work grind and trying to figure out. I just need a big reset. I've just been super busy and I haven't really been taking care of my environment and my space, and it's not really helping me mentally. So if you're also feeling in this sort of rut of like just and not motivated and just blah, really, then come have a reset day with me and clean your room with me, because that's what we're getting into. Come on. So first I'm going to start off with what my room looks like. It's a lot, but we are going to fix it, get into it, and just start, because if I don't, then I'm never going to. And we're going to work on a lot today. So I'm even going to go into my closet that I haven't gone into in like 3 years. So it's really just fixing, like tidying it up, because it's tidy, but it's like it's still a little messy because I can't fit everything that I want to fit in there. We're gonna get into that. Just a full-on cleaning. We're doing laundry. We're doing everything. So let's get into it.
I've been throw up the sex in and I can put you in. I can put you in. I've been throw up the sex in
I'm too lazy to get paper towels, and I had a roll of toilet paper in my room, so I'm gonna use it.
I can put you in. The whole city from this balcony. Back in 2019, I was outside freely, but now they got it out for me. I don't care what frat you was in, you can't out for me. Keep dreaming. Pineapple juice, I give a sweet semen. I know what they like, so I just keep cheesing. Hard drive full of heat seeking. Tryna come the same day as Jack, rethinking. You don't need Givenchy, you need Jesus. Why do y'all sleep on me? I need reasons. I got plex in the mail peak season. Shout out to my UPS workers, making sure I receive it. You could do it too, believe it. I've been throw up the sex in and I can put you in. I can put you in. Yes, I am. They say you a superstar, now damn, I guess I am. You might be the man, well that's unless I am. Okay, I'll confess I am.
Okay, let's talk about this section right here, because this section gives me anxiety every time I walk into my room. So, a lot's going on over here. This is baskets full of hoodies. On top is hoodies, pants that don't fit in my drawers, like my leather pants, or like I have bigger flared out pants, but mainly it's all hoodies, jackets, or whatever. I have a whole rack, but it's decreased because I've thrown everything here. So now I have to hang up some stuff, the stuff that I use though, because the shit that I don't use can go in here. But all this closet Child, this closet. It's gonna have it's a lot of work. I'm just gonna dump all this shit and then reorganize it and then go about that. See what I can fit in here and keep on moving on. So pray for me. That's what I'm saying. Pray for me. Let's look at this closet together, shall we? Child. I'm gonna fix this and then put shit in it. I'm not gonna vlog that though, so give me a second. Okay, so I got to fit that pink bag, Victoria's Secret bag, in there. I got to fit a small little random bag that was down here in there. I got to fit 2 boxes, my PlayStation box and my shoe box, a random heels box in there. So, progress. If you love it, we love it. And now we're gonna hang up these jackets. I need to change my shirt because I'm hot as hell. And just keep going. After this, I only have my desk and then the laundry. Okay, we're on the last mess, which is right here. I saved the worst for last, I guess, because Lord, it's just a bunch of shit. So let's do that.
I wanna be in your life until the night is over. I wanna hold you so tight, coming closer. It's been a hell of a ride, but every single moment you were there by my side. Whenever I'm broken, you make me feel low. Whenever I'm lonely, you're there for my soul. Wherever you are, girl, that's where I call my home. Whenever you're down, I'll be there. Girl, I want to be dancing with you forever. You see through the storm, take me as I am. Baby, it's magic every time I look together. I'm here 'cause I hold you for me.
So much progress has been made. My room looks so much better. I'm so happy. So the rest of the stuff that I have to really take care of is the dishes, the trash, and then my laundry. So you see this bag right here. That's new clothes that I got for trips that I'm taking in July. And I wanted to do a haul, so maybe I'll do a haul because I bought more stuff a while ago, like even before I graduated. So maybe I'll just combine those and make a big haul because it's not much in there and the last one wasn't much. So having them combined could make a video. So if you guys want that, please let me know. So yeah, I'm gonna take down all the dishes. Do you see how many water bottles I have? So many. I'm very happy that I did this because it needed to happen and it feels so good. So good.
I wanna be in your life until the night is over. I wanna hold you so tight, coming closer. It's been a hell of a ride.
Okay, so right now I'm chilling. I literally just sat for a little bit, distressed a little, just a little. Right now, I'm gonna eat a peach, drink some water, maybe start editing this video just to get it done. I have a whole video actually that I could edit too. I'm gonna import all the videos that I have in here, put that in there in my computer, so one, I can save more storage and be able to record the rest of my day. Just gonna be a little bit more productive. Wait till the food is done, eat. So I'm that hungry. I was gonna make soup, but my grandma is making sancocho, which I don't even really know what that is, but some kind of potato, I think. I don't know. But I'm gonna wait till that's done. Eat my peach and edit. So let's do that. We got some avocado, some rice, some noodles, potato, and then that's the other potato that I was talking about. I never tried it, so we'll see. But it looks really good. I'm about to eat. Got some ginger ale. I got my water. And just ease my mind.
The 100, that's one of the best.
100 right now. Okay, the end. I don't know.
Yeah, no, the end was stupid.
I didn't finish the last few seasons, but I just finished You, and I'm watching Grey's. I love Grey's.
I've been all in my phone, I got options. And I don't wanna tell you to drop it, but I don't wanna play your fair. Yeah, something that makes me look at you too often. Oh, baby, you can give it something. Baby, I can run all the time. Baby, I'm talking crazy. I need you running my space, but I need it, baby. I'm late, but I still can check in with you. I know that I need my friends, but I wouldn't wanna leave. You know, I wouldn't wanna bleed. Even my heart, my mind, and my body. Say it. My mind, my mind, and my body. My body says it. My mind, my mind, and my heart. My body says it. I don't know what it is. I can't tell you what it is, but you got me going crazy. Just to you is so amazing. How long can you go, baby? At last to my body.
Yes, wait. shortly after we went
hair
down
and
the
skincare
How much
is
money
done.
did you
I
give
feel
in
so
addition
good.
to 25,000?
Feel so rejuvenated.
But you want to hear the total?
And if y'all not watching Just Judy,
Why else he
watch
got it
Just
out?
Judy. Like, she
Or-
be
Right
eating
now, I have
these
$4,500. He's
eating
only
them.
suing for 48.
Nom nom nom.
Okay, so now you have to pay back the loan.
I don't know what I'm
So
doing
I
now.
want you to tell me what the
Probably
other
nothing.
$2,000, the conditions on that money being given to you.
That again, I would work and we would.
Okay, lovely people. I think this is where I end this beautiful reset. I had a lot of fun, honestly, cleaning my room and talking to y'all and being able to do this video for y'all. It was a much needed reset. I hope you guys also did a nice reset for yourselves. You deserve a good environment. You deserve somewhere where you're comfortable, somewhere where you're at peace but motivated still, and just a safe place. So I hope you guys had a good reset for yourselves. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, even if you didn't reset and it was just something to help you think about. Maybe, oh, I will do a reset. Honestly, if you think about it, do it. If it's in your head, do it. Just do it. Nike it. It's okay. But again, thank you so much for watching. Please subscribe. Please like. Share this with a friend. Tell me how y'all reset is. Just comment more videos that you guys want, because sometimes I just go so blank, and that's another reason why I'm just like, I don't know what to do, because I genuinely just don't know. So give me ideas, and if you made it this far, comment a jellyfish. That's my theme for June in my bullet journal. And just, I guess, ever since I saw it on the emojis, I was like, oh my god, that's so cute. So comment a jellyfish if you made it this far. I love you guys so much, and I appreciate your patience and still sticking by my side. And there will be more videos to come, I promise. I promise. But again, love you guys so much, and I will see you next time. Bye bye. My hair looks so good.